All right, what's up? What's up? This is gonna be my first video I'm making of opening my Pokemon cards. I've been opening them for quite a while. I just started doing it again recently, and today I'm going to open a Hidden Fates pack, the Charizard, which I didn't get a while back when they were on sale. So this one I got at normal price at Target. They're pretty hard to find now with the Charizard only. I've seen a lot of Raichus and Gyarados, Hidden Fates tins, and today I also found a Burning Shadows Elite pack. So hopefully we can get something good out of that. So let's go ahead and start with this one first. Keep in mind, there is a hyper rare shiny Charizard we can potentially get. And if graded and in perfect condition, it can be worth up to $400. So hopefully I can get it this time. I've been opening shiny packs for a while now. Look at that. I don't have this one, so I freaking love it right now. Fucking amazing. Holy shit. Look at that. I love it. I love it. I love it. Great, great, great. Of course, I'm gonna keep it. Not for you guys. And of course, the 4 booster packs. Ooh, one of each. Oh, no. I'm missing one, but I have 2 now. 2 of these. All right. I already got this one, the whole art card with the trio birds, which is pretty cool. All right, let's start off with the birds. Geodude, Cubone, Bum, EB, Clefairy, Psyduck. What? What? Oh my God. It's not worth much, probably like a couple dollars, but what? That's a secret rare or a ultra rare. I'd have to look it up. What? Oh my God. Good start, good start, good start. Oh, and then Zapdos, of course. I think I got them already. I think I got like 2 of them. There we go. Jinx. Graveler. Graveler looks pretty cool. It'd be cool if they had that one in a holo card. And Farfetch. Hold on. Let me get a sleeve. Let me get a sleeve. I'll get the ho-ho sleeve. Let's see the centering on it. It's a little off to the right. It's not perfect. It's not bad. Top and bottom is good. Look at the back. The centering is off as well. It's not bad. So, I mean, it's still a good card. And the texture of this is amazing. That's my first shiny Zygarde. All right, let me get the other ones in sleeves. Sorry, but I have to. Zap those. And I'll show you guys what all I got later. I have tons and tons of cards. All right, next, let's go with the Mew pack. Voltorb, Coughing, Ekans, Cubone, Magikarp. Ooh, a reverse Lieutenant Surge. I think that's a rare. And then Bill's Analysis. Chansey. Giovanni's Exile. Sabrina's Suggestion. That's mine. All right. Pretty good so far. I already got a hyper rare card, which is really what I was looking for. Not the one I wanted, but it's still a hyper rare card. It's my first hyper rare card of the day. And I love it. Look at that. All right. Next. We got two more. I'll do Charizard for last, so hopefully I can get a shiny Charizard. If I can get at least the shiny full art Charizard, that's $250 right there. Just the card. If I get it graded, it'll be at least $400, maybe, if that. I have to check. All right, next pack. Pikachu. Voltorb. Coffee. I feel like we've been getting coffee and Voltorbs a lot lately, huh? This is the third Cubone. Wow. Geodude. Charmeleon. That's a sign. Oh, no. This is the card. It's a reverse rare. I didn't see that. Well, that's cool. I don't have the reverse or the holographic one. I have the Charmander reverse. That'd be cool. I got a full art Onyx GX. Nice. Water. Giovanni's Exile. Koga's Trap. And Brock's Power City. Brock's Pewter City Gym. Sorry. I'm trying to correct myself. All right, now for the last pack. I'm already opening. I haven't even said anything. Hopefully this is a good one. Geodude again. Clefairy. Eevee. Ekans. Paras. And I got a shiny Shuffet. Wow. A shiny Shuffet. Not bad. At least we got another shiny. This is our second shiny, but this is just a holo. Nice. Nice. And then we got Snorlax. Water. Jinx again. And Graveler again. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, one more. Farfetch. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. I feel like someone's here already. All right. Oh man, there's too many cards. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in this tin. I don't feel like dealing with them right now. I have somewhere to go. But hey, I'll try to get more booster packs in order to open them here on this channel that I'm trying to create. I know there's a lot of opening Pokemon cards channels out there, but mine's gonna be not just about Pokemon. It's gonna be about anything in general, all the things that I like. But right now, I just started back in the Pokemon opening card game again, and what got me into it was because I was talking with my cousins not too long ago, and he was telling me if I had any of the old base set cards, and which I don't. I don't know what happened to them. I think I sold them, or I gave them to my cousin, or I traded with them. Well, there's that. So I'm starting to collect again. All right, what's next? Oh, hold on. We gotta put our shiny Shuffet in a freaking sleeve. Awesome. And also Onyx. Onyx, by the way, looks like it's in perfect centering. Perfect. And the back, it's a little off, just a little off that way. Just a little, but I mean, it's still good. We got one more. Onyx is probably worth like $1 or $2, something like that, you know. So our pulls for today, let me show you guys. So we got a reverse Lieutenant Surge, a hologram Zapdos, full art Zygarde, reverse holo Charmeleon, full art Onyx GX. Trying to avoid the glare. And then our shiny Shuppet. Sweet, 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 sweet Jesus. All right. So now let's move on to our Burning Shadows. 10 minutes into this video already, so let's see how long I can keep it going. I'm trying to do at least 20 minutes, so 10 minutes per, I guess 10 or whatever. I'm not the best at opening these. Get this over here. Man. Okay, I'm back. Ooh, this tells us all the cards. All the potential. Ooh. So what are all the potential cards that I can get here? I think, Machamp would be nice to get. So this one has a shiny Hyper Rare Charizard. So hopefully I can get at least one of these Hyper Rare cards. It would be nice. And then they have the secret rare cards. They do have the full art. Full art cards, which are like pretty decent, not too bad. All right, skip through that. All right, it's out the way. The dividers, everything's so messed up. Look, that's not even in its place. But anyway, so they got. Oh wow, yeah, they put dividers in it, and everything in it. The dividers look all right. I don't know what I would use them for. What, coasters? Coasters. That's the only thing I could think of. Ooh, we got Burning Shadow sleeves, so we got more sleeves. Nice. That's cool. We got some energies. Also cool. I don't need right now. And some black dye. Nice. And the card for me. What's it have? Elite Trainer box. Okay, cool. And then this didn't come with a coin. It came with this. It didn't come with a coin. Okay, whatever. The box is cool because I can use it to store my cards. Right now I'm using this one that I got last time. This is the Shiny Legend. Cool cards too. Right now we're dealing with the Burning Shadows. So let's move on. Got 10 packs. So I've never opened Burning Shadows. This is my first time. And the art on these are amazing. They have 4 different art styles on them. So they have, this is the first one. Look at that. Then my favorite, Ho-Ho. And more Shadow. All right, let's go with the first one. I don't know if the card trick would work on this. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it normal. All right, that's Sneasel. Out of here. I don't need it here. Oops. Oh no, I don't remember right now. Sneasel. What was that? Grimer. Nice. Ralts. Nice. Alolan Vulpix. Nice. Hoot hoot. And then we got a reverse Wiki. Nice. Let's see what we get afterwards. A Persian. Okay. Water. trainer support Kuwait. I think that's how you say it. And then a Simisear. And a Heat More. And then that's for me. All right. Next pack. So far we haven't hit anything good, just the reverse. So let's hope we get something good today, right? Let's do the card trick. Card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Steel. Trainer support card. Sophocles. I don't know. I can't say the word right. Bodybuilding dumbbells. Singapore. I think that's how you say it. Stuffle. Most of these Pokemon cards I don't know. I know that one, Inky, because I have a hologram already. Duskull, and I think Tynamo. Fish. Cutiefly, what the fuck? And then a reverse Electrike. And then a freaking mushroom. So far, we're still in a reverse game right now. 2 reverse in order. I mean, 2 holo reverse cards in a row. So let's see if that continues or if we get something amazing. I'm hoping to get a hype rare card, so cross fingers. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. That always works, right? Lightning. Ooh, trainer. Rotom Dex Poke Finder mode. Cool. Super Scoop Up. Electabuzz. Damn. That's a nice Electabuzz. I wonder if they have this one hologram. That's a nice Electabuzz. Cutiefly. Get your fly ass out here. Relu. Rhyhorn. Tangela. And then we got Dewpider. And our next one, I hope it's a really good one. Oh my God, another reverse holo. Ladian. Oh my God, I was just talking about this. Look guys, ready? It's a hyper rare Machamp. And I was saying that I wanted at least the hyper rare Machamp or the Charizard. This is amazing. Oh my God. Let's see what the condition is on this. Centering is perfect. Nope. Top and bottom is a little off, but the side to side is, no, it's a little bit more to the left. So the back is off as well. But our first hyper rare on Burning Shadows. Yes. That's going to go straight into a ho-ho sleeve. That's amazing. I'm going to see if I can get these graded. It's probably going to be like an 8, to be honest. Alrighty. 2 hyper rares and 2 and I'm excited. This is amazing. Like, I got a hyper rare. Yes. Got a Machamp hyper rare. I'm happy that made my day already. I don't care what else I get, but that made my day already. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, steel. Sorry about that. And this is Rainbow Bee. Curlia, sorry. Evolved from a route. We got Olivia. I know of an Olivia, and she's cute too. Horsey. And this is Venipede. Sandy Gas. More Lulu. Crab Roller. And then a reverse rare Subviper. And then we got a Lycanroc. Okay. So at least we got one hyper rare. We still have 4 more packs, sorry, I can't count. 4 more packs. All right, let's start off with the Marshadow pack. I know this is my first video, so bear with me. I still gotta do editing, put some music in the background. I should have done that a while ago, but you know, when you first start off, you don't really know much about this. My sisters do, but I don't, you know, they're not here. I don't live with them, so. All right, let's get to it. Fire Energy. Kawaii. Right On. Lunatone. I forgot. Esper. Pansage. Marrow. Look like a beanbag to me. Look at that. Beanbag Marrow. Beanbag. Charmander. That's a sign. I hope I get it. Oddish. All right, and 1, 2. A reverse rare Rhyperior. All right. One more. Oh. Ooh, a full art Tapu Fini. That's a nice ultra rare GX card. Look at that. Wow, and I love the color. Love it. Nice. I love it. That's probably one of my favorite cards right now, just because of the color. The centering is a little off from top to bottom. It's good from side to side. It's a little off on the back. You can see some little white marks on the top. I can see it, but you know, that's a really good card. Okay, we broke our reverse rare, reverse holo card streak. 3 more. Oh my God. All right, let's go with the Marshadow. Leaf Energy. Pats on Bag. I got that from Leonhart. Leonhart. Yep. Lunatone. Starter supporter card. Plumeria. Seadra. Nice. Sneasel. Loan Grimer. Routes. Alone Vulpix. Hoot. All right, and our reverse hollow trainer card supporter, Acelerola. All right, 1. I hope I get it. Oh, that was a joke. We got a Boo-ware. What kind of Pokemon is this? Come on, people. Do better than this. Ugh. All right. 2 more. Best for last. So let's do this one. I'm not the best at recording, as you can tell. I just started off. This is my first one. I'm gonna put it up on my channel, which I still gotta fix. So you might see this in a week from now because I just started it. Today is the 12th. Today's the 12th. Yeah, today's the 12th. 4. Water. Hey. Close? No, not even close, right? Trainer, supporter, Lana. Trainer, item, Tormenting Spray. Charmeleon. That one looks like a really decent looking Charmeleon. I like it. Ladybug. Mudbray. Really? A fucking horse? Horsey? Looks like someone just drew it with a crayon. Look. Venipede. Sandygast. And it is a reverse rare Metapod. Okay, one more. Butterfree. At least give me this one holographic. Come on. We've gotten a lot of reverse rare cards, which I don't like. So, I mean, what can you do? What can you do? All right, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Seadra. Oh, that's a nice looking Seadra too. Charmeleon. Charmeleon. And Venipede's Evolve Form. Whirlipede. Really? Whirlipede. Ladybug. Mudspray. Or spray. Yeah, Mudspray. Horsey. Venipede. Seems like we got his Evolve Form and Horsey's Evolve Form in the same pack. What are you trying to say? Oh, too fast. We've been getting this guy so many times. I'm getting tired of it. I hate it. All right. And a reverse rare cutie fly. All right, one more. Yep, that was a bust. All right, so people, these are the 2 best cards I got out of this pool. Burning Shadows is really good. I've never opened it. I've only seen YouTubers open it, and I love it. I mean, look at this Machamp. Look at that. I love it. Machamp was one of my first holos when the base set first came out. And then it was Charizard. But Machamp, everybody loves Charizard. I love Charizard too. But Machamp was one of my first holos when it first came out with the Genghis Compact. I don't know if you remember that. It's been so long. I don't have those cards anymore, but having to pull this today makes my day. That's amazing. And then we got the full art Tapu Fini GX. And then, of course, our reverse holos. I'll show you guys right now. All right, guys. Until next time. Peace.